about the nucleophilic addition reactions on conjugated systems. So let us see afterwards what is the conjugated system. So addition reactions are mainly classified into the three types: electrophilic addition reactions, two nucleophilic addition reactions, where the nucleophile addition is the RDS of the reaction, three free radical addition reaction like Karash effect, peroxide effect, Karash rule, all these things, or addition of hydrogen on alkene in the presence of the nickel is a free radical addition reaction. See, we discussed about the mechanism of the addition reactions. In this, if you come to that is the alkenes, that's alkenes and alkynes, that is say the propene or ethene, any alkene, the characteristic reactions of the alkene says they take part in the electrophilic addition reactions. So why electrophilic addition reactions, or you take this one, electrophilic addition reactions, that is we know the what reason. So when it is treated with the HCl, so it provides the H plus ion and Cl minus ion for the reaction. This is the electrophile, this is the nucleophile. So this is the reaction should take place on the pi center, is the electron density center. Electron cloud is surrounding that center, pi electron cloud. It is a cloud is negatively charged. So this is a negatively charged pi electron cloud is present. Therefore, the electrophile is the electron deficient species. It can approach this side, but nucleophile with its negative charge, that is higher electron density, cannot approach here. It repels. It is repelled by the pi electron cloud. So then first electrophile has to go and H plus ion has to go and take the pi electrons and form the sigma bond with the one of the carbon atoms, generating the carbocation as the intermediate. Then nucleophile approach, this is the RDS of the reaction. Then this is completed, this is, and nucleophile is added to this and electrophile is added to this. This is the addition reaction according to the Markovnikov rule. Everything you know why they are participating in the RDS. So this is called as the electrophilic addition, since the addition of the electrophile is the RDS of the reaction. Right? Addition of the electrophile is the RDS of the reaction. Therefore, due to not the first step, in the first step it is adding, but it is called as the electrophilic, name is assigned, that is the electrophile addition is the RDS of the reaction and nucleophilic attack is the fast reaction. Therefore, it is called as the electrophilic addition mechanism. Carbocation is formed as the intermediate. You know the what everything that's and addition takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule, and need not tell the what the again Markovnikov rule. See, this is one. Why it is not participating in the nucleophilic addition reactions? That is here this is the electron density center. That is nucleophile cannot approach. There is no approachability. This is the pi electron cloud. There is no approachability for the nucleophile. This is the pi electron, cylindrical pi electron cloud, not the cross section. This is a cylindrical pi electron cloud that is negatively charged. The electrophile and nucleophile both are readily available in the system and waiting to attack. But this is can approach this side, but this is when it tries to go this side, that is to start the reaction, it is repelled by the negatively charged pi electron cloud. Therefore, in the first step, that is only electrophile gets the opportunity to attack the etheric center, not the nucleophile. Therefore, it is electrophilic addition reaction. Right? And why? You know the reason. Because of this electron density. Now, question is, when it takes part, is it possible? What are the Reason, what is the reason for the only electrophilic attack, electrophilic addition? Why not nucleophilic addition? To say the nucleophilic addition, nucleophile has to first attack. If the nucleophile attacks here, then what happens? That is the carbanion is generated. Carbanion is generated here. So this is, it cannot approach the etheric center. So why? Because of the pi electron cloud repulsions. So that is nucleophile is repelled by the pi electron cloud. Therefore nucleophile cannot approach. This is the logic behind it. Whereas if you come to the second one, I will come to again to this point. Second one, if you come to the polar pi bond, organic compound with the polar pi bond like this, or polar pi bond like that is the cyanide ion, the cyanide, and that is polar pi bond like that is imine ion, imine, not ion, imines. Carbonyl compounds, aldehydes and ketones, nitriles, this is imine. If you come to these things, what happens? This is polar pi bond. This is negatively charged, this is positively charged, this is negatively positively charged, this is negatively charged, this is positively charged, this is negatively charged. Carbon, and oxygen double bond, carbon, nitrogen double bond or triple bond, they are all here, nucleophilic addition takes place. In the carbonyl compounds we discussed. So aldehydes and ketones readily take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions. Why nucleophile? That is this is the positively charged, and attack of the nucleophile on the carbon and formation of the tetrahedral intermediate is the RDS of the reaction. Suppose let me take that is HCl. This is H plus ion and Cn minus ion. This is, when it is treated, pakka, that is always R minus. This is the cyanide is added. This is this one. Cyanohydrin is formed. We know all these names and cyanohydrin. So here, what is happening, that is here, the cyanide ion is first approaching and attacking here, and this is moving this side. That is R, C, R prime, this is O minus, this is cyanide ion. This is the RDS of the reaction. First RDS of the reaction. Then H plus ion, that is approaches and responds. You may ask, why are you writing this way? Why not you send the word H plus ion first? So even though H plus ion may go first, it is a nucleophilic addition. The mechanism of the reaction, electrophilic addition or nucleophilic addition, is not assigned to the system based on that is whether electrophile first approach or nucleophile first approach. It is decided based on the RDS of the reaction. If the electrophilic attacking step is the RDS, electrophilic addition. If the nucleophilic attack is the RDS of the reaction, is called as the nucleophilic addition. Suppose if you come to this one, then what happens? I will write the word other way mechanism. That is, take the word H plus ion here. So now it is. Let him write. Let the word H plus ion attack. This is the positive charge. Right? It may go, it has the opportunity to go to this one. There is no restriction here. Like nucleophile, electrophile can approach in the first step. This is formed. But you see here what happens. There is a resonance between the positively charged carbon. What resonance? That is a back bonding. Lone pair, positive lone pair conjugation. Due to this, what happens? This is due to resonance. This is getting the OH positive little this thing. Naked carbocation is not forming. Thoroughly stabilized carbocation is forming. Now it is almost equivalent to this bond, little less. Positive charge from here to here is little increased. Now nucleophilic attack in the next step. This gives the C's R prime, CnOH. This is the RDS. Why? Why are you saying RDS? During the formation of this to this, the bond angle is not changed. Remember, 120 degrees, 120 degrees. sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon. But when the cyanide ion is approaching this and attacking on the carbon and forming this, then what happens? sp2 carbon changes into the sp3 carbon, that is a tetrahedral product is forming, and where the spatial distance between the groups are decreasing. When the spatial distance between the three groups are converted into the four groups, and space is 120 degrees and angle is converted to 110 degrees, and that is number of groups are increased, so the steric repulsions are increased. Therefore, the attack of this and formation of the tetrahedral intermediate is the tetrahedral product is the high energy process. Therefore, whether the first step electrophile attacks or nucleophile attacks is not the criteria for the nucleophilic addition. It is in the nuclear addition attack of the nucleophile is on the carbonyl carbon is a difficult process compared to the electrophilic attack on the carbonyl oxygen. Due to the formation of the tetrahedral intermediate, the decrease of the angle, increase of the steric repulsions between the groups because they are coming closer to each other. Therefore, this is the RDS is the nucleophilic attack is the RDS. Therefore, we say that the aldehydes and ketones take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions, not the electrophilic addition reactions. Agreed. The alkenes take part in the electrophilic addition, and aldehydes and ketones take part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. This is the case. See, this we discussed in the class and just I repeated for the information, that's all. Now, question is, agreed, alkenes take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions. Sorry, electrophilic addition reactions. Right? Agreed. Through carbocation intermediate, this is, we know. See, but will they take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions? Yes, they can also take part in the nucleophilic. If you know the reasons not to take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions, why they prefer the electrophilic addition reactions, and then you can modify the structure and make it to take part in, that is, nucleophilic addition reactions. How? What is why? Why it is not participating? Due to the electron density. Suppose by introducing certain groups, if the electron density on the carbon-carbon double bond system is decreased, pi electron cloud is decreased, that is the negative charge on the carbon-carbon double bond center is decreased, then what happens? Or you make it the electron deficient that center, then what happens? It takes part in the nucleophilic addition reactions. So that is, see, this is the ethylene, you know, it takes part in the electrophilic addition reactions. AE reactions. If you treat with the HCl, it takes part in the CH3, CH2, Cl. Electrophilic addition reaction. Now, suppose, and what? See, if you introduce a nitro group on this, which is a minus M group, it shows the minus M effect involved in the resonance by taking the electrons and minus I group. Electron withdrawing group is present. A ethylenic center with the electron withdrawing group take part, decrease the electron density of the pi center. How? You see, let me write the nitro. I am taking the simple example nitroethene. This is the resonance. Negative charge on the oxygen. This is the resonance structure, positive. Because this center This is negatively charged. Now it is the resonance structure. It positively charged is present there. Then what happens? That is, now it takes part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. I told you the restriction for the nucleophilic addition reaction on the etheric center is due to the pi electron cloud. If the pi electron density is decreased on the etheric center, that etheric center takes part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. So now if you take this and treat with the that is the HCl, say Marconic of addition. If you take the Marconic of addition, the product should be like this. That is, the nucleophile should add to the double bond carbon containing less number of hydrogens. Marconic of addition. This is impossible. Now, if you treat this with the HCl, the product is this is the product. So this is the AN reaction. Remember, nucleophilic addition reaction. So you have seen this. Now this is converted to this. Now first nucleophile comes to this state. Carbon. Positive charge is present on the beta carbon. Functional group attached alpha. This is the beta carbon. This is Cl, CH, double bond N, O minus. This is the case. Now H plus ion goes to this CH2, Cl, CH, double bond N, OH. That is oxide. That is the nitro form, that is the corresponding, that is the AC form, AC nitro form. This is tautomerism, 1-3 shift, 1, 2, 3. This is converted to tautomerism. It is not stable. This is converted to this. This comes to this. This is the mechanism, not the electrophilic addition. If the electrophile goes and attack here, positive charge is formed here as an intermediate. Nitro group destabilizes the positively charged. Due to its minus I effect, nitro group destabilizes the carbocation. If the, let me take CH2 double bond CH. Now electrophile cannot approach now. This is H plus ion. If it goes to here, that is CH3, CH positive. This is N double bond O. This is, that is unstable. On what basis you say the what unstable? That is the minus I group. This is the minus I effect. Minus I group destabilize the carbocation. Therefore, this is not possible at all. So that is alkenes take part in the electrophilic addition reactions, remember, through carbocation intermediate. They do not take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions because of the repulsions between the nucleus, the pi electron cloud and nucleophile, one part. But same alkene carbon-carbon double bond etheric center take part in the nucleophilic addition. Take part in the nucleophilic addition if the electron withdrawing group minus M and minus I groups are present. Particularly minus M groups are present. So now the presence of the nitro group is activating the ethylenic center, carbon-carbon double bond center towards nucleophilic addition reactions. Again I am telling you, alkenes take part in the electrophilic addition, but same alkene, due to if the electron withdrawing group like minus M and minus I groups are introduced on the etheric center, then they take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions. Presence of the minus N group on the carbon-carbon double bond activate the, that is, ethylenic center towards the nucleophilic addition reactions. This takes part in the AN reaction, not the, that is, not this one. AN reaction This takes part in the AN reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction, not the AE reaction. That is ethylenic centers, carbon-carbon double bond centers with electron withdrawing groups. Carbon-carbon double bond centers where electron minus M groups are connected to the ethylenic carbon are called as the activated ethylenic center. That is called as the activated ethylenic center. Double bond CHC NO2 CH2. I am writing the simple molecules. That is triple bond minus M group, right? CH2 double bond CH. This is C double bond O CH3. This is minus M group. This is CH2 double bond CH. We need not go that. This one. So this is the and minus M group. This is the ethylenic center. We are focusing on the ethylenic center with the minus M groups. Or CH2 double bond CH. C double bond O OET. CH2 double bond CH. C double bond O OH. These are all the acrylic acid, ethyl acrylate. That is this is called as the acraldehyde, propanaldehyde. This is some ketone, that is methyl vinyl ketone. This is the vinyl cyanide. This is nitroethene. These are all very simple molecules. Or we can take this is cyclohexane. This is cyclohexane. Carbon-carbon double bond. Try to understand. Carbon-carbon double bond. It takes part in the AE reaction, electrophilic addition reaction. That is, if you take this one, double bond, and this takes part in the NO2, this takes part in the nucleophilic addition reaction, AN reaction, double bond center. Or if you take the other molecule, this is C double bond, this is the same cyclohexene, this is double bond O, this is minus M group, this is minus M group, this is the center, the ethylenic center with minus M group. These are all come under the category of, that is compounds containing the activated ethylenic center, right? Or in terms of the carbonyl compound, this is carbonyl, sorry, this is the carbonyl. They are called as the alpha beta unsaturated centers, carbonyl compounds. Alpha beta unsaturated esters, alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acids. They are here. The ethylenic center take part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. Carbon-carbon double bond take part in the electrophilic addition. But carbon-carbon double bond contains at least one minus M group. That carbon-carbon double bond take part in the nucleophilic addition reaction, not an electrophilic addition reaction. Such ethylenic centers are called as the activated ethylenic centers. So activated ethylenic compounds take part in, that is, nucleophilic addition reactions, not on electrophilic addition reactions. So now let me take the simple example and write the reactions. See, this is the ethylene. Now I am writing the NO2, nitroethene. See, this is the center where the what addition takes place, activated ethylenic compound, nitroethene. If you treat with that is HCl, nucleophilic addition. So carbanion should form, nucleophile should go for here, and carbanion should generate. Now it is addition takes place. The second thing is the addition takes place according to against the Markovnikov rule, not according to the Markovnikov rule. This is the CH2Cl, that is CH2. This is N double bond O. Against the Markovnikov rule. Since, so that is nucleophile is approaching and donating this. So this is the CH2Cl now the intermediate stability is important. This is the intermediate stable due to resonance with nitro group. Now this is H plus ion. Therefore, this is the nucleophilic addition. This overall addition is called as the nucleophilic addition. That is Markovnikov according against to the Markovnikov. Or it can be like this: CH double bond C, CH2 double bond NO2, NO2. There are two nitro groups. As the number of nitro groups increases, the positive charge on this carbon increases. This on treatment with the HCl or HBr or HCN, CH2. This is Cl. This is CH, NO2, NO2. Against to the Markovnikov. Or you take the same nitroethene. This is treated with the HCN, hydrogen cyanide. This is CH2. Cn is added to this CH2, N double bond O. That is this. Cyanide is added to the nucleophile is added to this. Addition is taking place against to the Markovnikov. You take the ethylenic center. You focus on the carbon-carbon double bond. This is the case. Minus M group. When it is treated with the HCl, then what happens? The addition takes place against to the Markovnikov's rule. An. This is the CH2. This is C double bond OH. That is addition is taking place here against to the Markovnikov's rule. Carbanion intermediate is formed, not the carbonium ion intermediate. Cl minus goes here and attacks because we know what the resonance structures of this. This is the positive. This is double bond C O minus. This is H, resonance structure. The positive charge is existing on this carbon. Therefore, the Cl is coming and attacking on this carbon and producing this product. So that is and addition against the Markovnikov's rule. Carbanion is the intermediate formed. This is due to presence of the electron withdrawing group. As the number of this increases, that is as the number increases, on this if you add the HCN, not here, this is CH2. I will tell you afterwards at 1,4 addition. CH2 C double bond OH. Here addition is taking place, not on the carbonyl group, because carbonyl also has the reaction. So here, and this is the case. And now this is the compound CH2 double bond CH. This is the nitro compound or cyano compound or whatever it is. This is the C triple bond N. That is vinyl cyanide. This is the activated ethylenic center. Right? So I am writing the C, treat with the HCl. CH2Cl, CH2, C triple bond L. Right? And now you can take anything. That is you can treat with this compound, or let me write so I'm searching for the reagent that is required. Ethyl alcohol in the presence of ethoxide ion, sodium ethoxide. Ethoxide is the nucleophile. This attacks here. This is CH2 OET. This is CH minus. Why here only? That is, it is stabilized by the resonance. Now ethyl alcohol is supplying the H plus ion CH2 OET. That is CH2 C triple bond N. So addition is taking place here. This is the AN reaction. Right? This is the reaction. You can take anything. That's the many things you can take. That is, and now if it is And now here we introduce a name reaction known as the Michael addition. See, Michael addition is nothing. We are using a new reaction. Michael addition is nothing. It is an addition reaction on the carbon-carbon double bond. Remember, Michael addition is nothing but it is a addition reaction on carbon-carbon double bond. But nucleophile should be carbanion. The nucleophilic addition reaction on the activated ethylenic compound, nucleophilic addition reaction on activated ethylenic center, where nucleophile is carbanion, is called as the Michael addition. That is called as the Michael addition. Michael addition reaction. Nothing. It is an addition reaction on carbon-carbon double bond activated ethylenic center, where nucleophile is carbanion, like Grignard reagent. That is, now CH2 double bond CH. Let me take the word nitro group. It is an activated ethylenic center. It takes part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. You know, it is not a special thing. This is HCl. So that is Cl minus H plus ion. You know, many times I am writing the word same reaction. That is, and try to understand the concept of the reaction. That is CH. This is NO2. That is CH2. This is the addition center, and addition is complete. Michael addition. Sorry. Nucleophilic addition reaction, AN reaction. It's not a Michael addition. This is not called as a. Here the nucleophile is chloride ion. See, nucleophilic addition of on ethylenic center, to call it as, sometimes it is called as the Michael addition when if the nucleophile is carbanion. Suppose if it is treated with that is Grignard reagent MeMgBr, that is minus, this is plus. Then it attacks here, this attacks here, then what happens? CH2, Me, this is CH, this is a negative charge, MgBr, this is NO2. This on work, acid workup, that gives that is MECH2NO2. This is now it is Michael addition. This is called as the Michael addition because attacking nucleophile is this. If you treat with the alkyl lithium, that is methyl lithium, anything organometallic compound, this is the nucleophile as well as that is the base. This attacks on this same CH2, MECH, negative charge, NO2, this is Li plus, this on acid workup. That is H plus ion is supplied to this system, MECH2, NO2. This is Michael addition. Right? Michael addition, carbanion is that is attacking a nucleophile. The nucleophilic addition reaction on the activated ethylenic center, where carbanion, attacking nucleophile is the carbanion, then it is called as the Michael addition reaction. This is Michael addition. So this is, you take the CH2 double bond CH, this is the, and anything this is this is C or NO2, same NO2 group or cyanide group, this is an NO2 group, and if it is treated with that is dimethyl lithium thialkyl cuprate, where the attacking species Me minus carbanion, then CH2 MECH2, that is NO2. This followed by acid workup. These are all the Michael addition reactions. Or let me take the same example. this is the nitro compound or two nitros or more nitros, then if it is treated with the, that is this. This. Here what happens? Cyclohexanone is converted to the its corresponding carbanion, aldol condensation. This carbanion and aldehydes and ketones with alpha carbon produce the carbanion, they attack here. That is what happens ultimately, that is double bond O, this CH2, that is CH2, NO2 is formed. So ultimately the final product, this is the center in the acid workup, that is and finally you get the hydrogen there, hydrogen here. This is the Michael addition, right? This is the Michael addition. So this reaction is called as the Michael addition reaction. So now you take the CH2 double bond CH, C double bond O, that is CH3. This is treated with the cyclohexanone in the presence of base which produce the carbanion. This is carbanion. This attacks here, that is this is called as the Michael addition. See, not only this, and you can take the other things also. And you take the, for electron withdrawing group, I have taken the non-interfering nitro group. This is treated with the active compounds containing the active methyl group. That is C double bond O, OET, C double malanoate, diethyl malanoate. This is the methyl group with two electron withdrawing groups. Methyl group with two electron withdrawing groups minus M groups is called as the, that is called as the compound containing active methyl group. It is a good source of, if it is treated with the ethoxide ion, it removes this hydrogen and converts into the C carbanion, that is COOET, COOET. This is the source for the what? Carbanion. That is the source for carbanion. This attacks here, not here. If it attacks here, carbanion is not formed here. It is not stabilized by the nitro group. Therefore, CH2, that is CH, COOET, COOET. This is CH, this is N double bond O, O. This is the product of the reaction. This is. So where addition is taking place, here addition is taking place, H2 in the acid workup, and that is converted into this. So it's a Michael addition, Michael addition reaction. So therefore that is a nucleophilic addition reaction on the carbon-carbon double activated carbon-carbon double bond, and where the nucleophile is, carbanion acts as a nucleophile, is called as that is Michael addition. So many nucleophilic addition reactions are possible. That is, suppose if you take this or nitro group, same non-interfering group, I am taking the electron withdrawing group, this on treatment with the HCl, that gives the Cl. Addition of HCl, AN reaction through carbanion as the intermediate. Cl minus attacks here, carbanion forms here, that is stabilized by this one. Then H plus ion comes and completes the system. So this is not Michael addition compound. Nucleophilic addition on the carbon-carbon double bond, but it is not the Michael addition. To say it as a Michael addition, the nucleophile should not be chloride ion or OH ion. It should be carbanion, carbon with a negative charge. Gregonar reagents, all these are all the, and they are example of. This is treated with the Now let me take the CH2 double bond CHCN. That is an electron withdrawing group activated ethnic center. This I am treating with the CH2 CN. This is treated with the base like pyridine. Pyridine is a base. Remember, ammonia, pyridine, all are bases. Weak base I am using. Here what happens? This is converted to the carbanion. It attacks here CH2, that is CH, that CN, that is in the acid workup. This is converted CH2, that is C. So addition is taking place here. This is Michael addition. So Michael addition. So it is called as a Michael addition, this one. And next one is the now carbonyl compounds and alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. See now, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, that is and 1,4 addition reaction. Nothing but the Michael addition. 1,4 addition reactions first of all. See, you know that this is the aldehyde, this is the ketone. They take part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. Yes, they take part in the nucleophilic addition. If you treat it with the HCN, then what happens? Cyanohydride is formed. AN reaction. And that story you know. It may be aldehyde or ketone. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones because of the steric repulsions and decrease in the positive charge on the carbonyl carbon. This is negative charge center. This is the positively charged center. There is no new story at all. That is, we have seen this story all aldehyde. Now I am coming to the carbon-carbon double bond take part in the addition reaction. Remember, carbon-carbon double bond take part in the addition reactions. And carbonyl group of the carbonyl compound take part in the carbonyl group of the carbonyl compound take part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. This is electrophilic addition, carbon-carbon double bond. That is the. Let me take the simple example. This take part in the AE reaction. This take part in the addition reaction, but AN reaction. Now I am combining the both, right? I am combining the both. This is independently AN reaction. This is independently AE reaction. But I have shown the word sometimes it takes part in the nucleophilic addition. When if the electron withdrawing group is present. This is an electron withdrawing group. It takes part in the itself takes part in the AN reaction, but when it is connected to this one, now it takes part in the nucleophilic addition only. But it shows some special properties. Let me take now this is the compound. Acraldehyde, propene, propanol, enol, all means aldehyde. Enol, propanol. See, now this is the carbonyl group, no doubt. Still it is the carbonyl group, it takes part in the addition reaction. and this takes part in the, it is a carbon-carbon double bond. It takes part in the addition reaction. All pi bond containing systems take part in the addition reactions. No speciality at all. Say pi center, pi electrons are the loosely held electrons, they take part in the reaction. For the chemical reaction is concerned, that is non-bonding electrons, lone pair of electrons are more reactive than, that is, second one is the pi electrons. The double bond, pi electrons of the carbon-carbon double bond are more reactive than the carbon-carbon triple bond. Therefore, this is pi center, this is pi center. This is called as it is a carbonyl compound. It is a higher functional group, higher priority functional group, carbonyl functional group. This is the unsaturated center. Carbon-carbon double bond center, unsaturated center. Now it is, right? So this is, there is a resonance conjugation. This is called as the carbonyl compound. 1, this is 2, this is 3 for numbering. Now this is alpha, this is beta. See, a double bond is present between the alpha and beta carbon, between the alpha and beta carbon atoms of a carbonyl compound. Therefore, it is called as the alpha beta unsaturated double bond containing carbonyl compound. These are all the, this is the general formula. RCH double bond CH, C double bond OH, or RCH double bond CH, C double bond O. This is R or methyl or whatever it is, that's another group, R prime group or anything. This is the ketone. These are called as this is carbon-carbon double bond is in conjugation with the carbonyl group. Therefore, it is called, they are called as the general term is that is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. One thing. Second, it is not only this. See, this is the cyclohexanol carbonyl compound. It is not an alpha beta carbon. If the double bond is present here, then it comes under the category of the alpha beta unsaturated compound, carbonyl compound, ketone specifically. This is aldehyde, this is ketone, this is ketone, cyclic ketone, this is also aldehyde. See, why are you telling this story and we know, you know the what all these things. See, now there are two sides for the addition reaction. One is the carbon-carbon double bond, the other is the carbonyl group. What are the characteristic properties of the carbonyl compounds? They take part in the addition reaction. What type of addition reactions? Nucleophilic addition reactions. So you know that this take part in the nucleophilic addition. Carbon-carbon double bond take part in the electrophilic addition. Right? Now here, this is not the simple carbon-carbon double bond. It is on all these compounds, this is the carbon-carbon double bond with electron withdrawing group. See, carbon-carbon double bond, electrophilic addition, no doubt, but carbon-carbon double bond, where the electron withdrawing group is attached, then it takes part in the nucleophilic addition. Therefore, this takes part in the nucleophilic addition inherently. Under these existing structural conditions, this take part in the which reactions? We have seen nucleophilic addition reactions. This is participating in the nucleophilic addition reaction. This is participating in the nucleophilic addition reaction. So, in the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, the carbonyl group has a tendency to take part in the nucleophilic addition, and carbon-carbon double bond has the tendency to take part in the nucleophilic addition reaction. Both nucleophilic. There are two addition centers. Now, which takes part in the preferentially? This is nucleophilic addition reaction. Let me take. So for some time, this is I am removing all these things. Now you know the what story of this one, what we are going to study. Here is the resonance. Pi-pi conjugation, unidirectional resonance, mesomerism, right? It's not bidirectional, unidirectional. See, I am writing the pi-pi conjugation. This is the This is a positive charge. These are the resonance structures. So, see here, this is positive, this is the negative in the carbonyl. The resonance structure, this is the positive, this is the negative. Oxygen is always negative. Positive charge can be on the carbon, positive charge can be on the, that is ethylenic carbon. So, for electrophile, always it has to come to the, that is oxygen. Has to come to the oxygen. And carbon is positively charged, nucleophile has to go, electrophilic center. That is electron seeking center. Electrophilic center is this. This is the electrophilic center. This is carbon, is the electrophilic center, means electron accepting species. This is there are in this molecule, in the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, there are two electrophilic centers. Electrophilic center is not the where electron go and attack, where nucleophile go and attack. The center which takes the electrons is the electrophilic center. The species which takes the electrons is the electrophile. So that is, and here what happens, there are two centers, electrophilic centers, carbon and this carbon, C2 carbon and C3 carbon. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. For our convenience I am writing this one. And where reaction takes place. That is a reaction, addition can take place on this, addition can take place on this. If the addition takes place on this center, that is on this center, if the addition takes place electrophile, nucleophile, see, that is without disturbing this center. If the addition takes place on this center, that is nucleophile here, oxygen, that is this is electrophile, electron seeking species has to approach and come to here. This is called as the, if carbonyl group exclusively involved, that is called as 1,2 addition. Direct addition. Direct addition. Then what happens sometimes, that is electron here. See, if this is the case, nucleophile has to go to the, in this form, nucleophile has to go to here and electrophile has to go to here. This is 1,4 addition. This is called as the conjugate addition. Conjugate addition. It may be organized, the conjugate addition. So, there are, if it is a alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, alpha beta unsaturated compound, the addition takes place. So 1,2 addition, there may be a direct addition, that is only carbonyl can involve in this one without disturbing the carbon-carbon double bond. This is the carbon-carbon double bond may involve. Ultimately, that is that will not disturb the carbonyl group due to tautomerism. That is. This is the case. So that is called as the 1,4 addition. And whether the 1,2 addition takes place or 1,4 addition takes place in the, that is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, that depends on the name. Remember, that depends on the nature of the reagent. Nature of the reagent. That is this is the case. I am writing again, this is the case. If you treat with this is the carbonyl group, and if the nucleophile is strong nucleophile, remember, nucleophile is strong nucleophile with considerable amount of the negative charge, so 1,2 addition takes place. And if the nucleophile is weak nucleophile, 1,4 addition takes place. 1,4 addition takes place. See, I am taking the lithium aluminium hydride. Remember, here the H minus, strong nucleophile. This is strong nucleophile. This is here the CH2 double bond CH, CH. This is a H, that is OH. This is involved in the 1 followed by hydrolysis, you know, that is required. 1 for addition, 1 to addition. Let me write the few examples. I will explain you. And this is treated with this is methyl magnesium bromide 1 followed by acid workup or hydrolysis with acidified water. So here you see CH3 minus strong nucleophile. Strong nucleophile is the strong base, that is and strong acid, Chalk theory, hard and soft acid base theory, Pearson's. So that is giving the solution to this CH2 double bond CH, that is CH, CH3 O minus MgBr, that is addition is taking place on this center. This on hydrolysis, acid workup, that gives the double bond CH, CH, CH3 OH. This is the, here it is taking place. Understand? Here it is taking place 1 to addition, 1 to addition. Both are 1 to additions. Remember, normal additions. But suppose if you treat with the HCN, where the cyanide ion is a weak, that is this is a weak nucleophile. Concentration is very less. Then what happens? CH2, Cn, CH2, C double bond, this H. This will not take part in this one. So 1 for addition. See, actually, what should form? You see, here this should form 1 for addition. But this is enol. Keto form is more stable than enol. Tautomerism. This is hydrogen is shifted to here. CH2Cn. This is CH2. That is CH. This is double bond O. Ultimately, this is the product. 1 for addition. Due to secondary reasons, it is shifted here. So now it is come to this is dimethyl Me2Cu-Li, lithium, that is dimethyl cuprate, where this is the attacking nucleophile, but that is metal and carbon bond, copper and carbon bond is that is relatively less polar compared to the Gregoire reagent. Therefore, what happens? This is weak nucleophile. Gilman's reagent is a source for weak carbanion, poor carbanion. Then this attacks. Then what happens? 1 for addition. This is double bond CH O. That is the Li plus. Whatever it is, leave that part. That is acid workup. That is CH2. That is Me. That is CH double bond CH OH. This tautomerizes to give CH2 Me. That is CH2. That is C double bond O. This one. This is and the conjugation addition is taking place. 1 for addition is taking place, and 1 for addition is finally converted to the 1 to addition through tautomerization phenomena. See the difference you see, that is the difference between this is a strong nucleophile, source of strong nucleophile. The Gregoire reagent is 1 to addition, the direct addition, whereas the Gilman's reagent is the 1 for addition, that is conjugate addition. So let me take the example of this. More the commonly used this example, this one. Now they take this one, cyclohexenone with proper numbering. Cyclohexanone, and that is the double bond is present between the 2 and 3. Cyclohex 2-enone. Right. These are treatment with that is methyl magnesium bromide 1 followed by that is acid workup. So 1,2 addition. Strong nucleophile. Then 1,2 addition, the direct addition is taking place without touching the double bond. This is the OH, this is the methyl. Now you take that is ETLI, alkyl lithium, ethyl carbania. This is stronger nucleophile, stronger base, that is alkyl lithium. The carbon and lithium bond is more polar than the carbon and magnesium bond. The amount of the negative charge on the alkyl lithium is more. That is here the ultimate 1,2, that is acid workup. This is 1,2 addition is preferred. This is the case. This is OH. This is ethyl 1,2 addition. The same thing is treated with the dialkyl Me2Culi lithium dialkyl cuprate followed by that is hydrolysis that gives the that is methyl. This is the product form. So here that is Me minus here is weak nucleophile. On what basis you say the word weak nucleophile? That is, I am not talking Me. Methyl is connected to the carbon and copper bond is more covalent. The amount of the negative charge is less, therefore it is a weak nucleophile. So if it is a weak nucleophile, it comes to here. That is here, that is methyl minus is attacking here, and this is moving and this is moving. Now it is methyl, this is the case, that is ELI plus. Now it is hydrolysis, this gives the OH, this is the case that tautomer is to give. Directly I am writing tautomerism again. So here hydrogen is added, this is the hydrogen shifted, tautomerization. 1,4 addition. Now it is treated with the HCl. Same, I told you, this is more of covalent nature, the HCl. The amount of the negative charge on the carbon is very less. Then what happens? Same reason. This is the cyanide, this is the hydrogen. If it is treated with the lithium aluminum hydride, that is sodium borohydride, then this is not affected. Here this takes place because H- ion, strong nucleophile. This is not affected. So this is the conjugate addition. So this is something about the Michael addition. So it's not that we have not seen this is Michael addition here. You can take the subject. This is something about the conjugate addition, that is the addition on in alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound.